What is going on, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, RedLineMods. Check this out. Beautiful SI in front of me right there in Sonic Pearl Gray. That's how the front looks. If you'll be getting in Sonic Pearl Gray, this is how it looks. It's sunny out as well. It's cloudy as well, but sun and cloud both. And yeah, that's what the front looks like. And get a closer look real quick. We're gonna be driving this bad boy right now on the road, and check it out. The 6-speed transmission. We're gonna test it out, see how it feels. See, the clouds are coming now, so check it out. In case you want to check out the MSRP on it, it says $27,300. That's before taxes and DMV fees, registration fees, all that good stuff. So they'll give it at least another $2,000 or $3,000 up above that. So we're looking at 31K. Check this out, Civic Honda SI right there. You got some duckbill spoiler action going on as well. And you got the black matte wheels with the chrome Honda logo in the center, and then no chrome on the top of the windows. That's what the back looks like. And let's go check inside. All right. So on the inside, check out the door panels. Look at that. It's a cloth texture over here. It's not leather. And the front, it comes actually in red and black with the red stitching. SI embroidered in there, right there, on the top at the headrest. And then in the back is all black with the red stitching. And then this is a full screen actually here, if you guys didn't know. Let me just put the accessories on so you guys can see. And a full display screen as well, all digital right here. So yep, that's that. And then of course you got different drive mode, auto on and off, your parking brakes, brake and hold feature. See that? Sport mode pops up on the screen as well. Oh, that's my friend, his music was linked to it. It's a wireless CarPlay. We got to test that out, of course. And these are buttons over here, and the rest are what's it called, pretty much in the bottom. It's all touchscreen. These are all touch right here, right? And it's a full screen actually, which is pretty nice. I like that. If you hit maps, you'll see a full screen display, which is pretty cool actually. I like that. And yeah, as far as the display over here, check it out. That's what it looks like. Individual, sport, normal. It changes here as well. All right, cool. So let's go for a drive. All right, this is how we get started. The clutch all the way down. Brakes, make sure this is a neutral. Parking brakes, we'll put it down once we go, and you can put it down anytime, but the car starts, and then you can let it go. It'll warm up. If it's in first gear, it will stall on you. Or if it's off the brakes, the car might be moving back or front. It usually goes backwards in the manuals. So hit that, and then switching it. Parking brakes are off. Go ahead, push it in first gear. You can let go of the brakes, don't worry. As you can see, the car is going backwards slowly. And then you just hit a little bit of gas and slightly lift up your feet on the clutch. Not completely, and then once you're at like 5 to 10 miles per hour, then you can completely lift it up from the clutch. You should be good to go. So this way you don't stall. But make sure you hit the clutch all the way and then brakes when you're coming to a stop or something like that, especially at stop signs or red lights. So we'll just make it quick. There you go. We'll see how much power it got. I mean, I haven't been driving shift for years, so I still know how to drive one, but I'm not like really good at it. And this is a video for you guys mostly, and you know, bringing you great content. So let's go into third. Yep, but it's pretty smooth. I like it. Switch up my side mirrors a little bit, make sure I can see. Yeah. wish it had more horsepower to this. Of course, no paddle shifters. Don't look for those. And then there's no remote start on the keys. Why? Because it's a manual. So a lot of people, there's some customers are like, hey, there's no remote start. We're like, it's a manual. You're not gonna get a remote start on that. To me, it was like logic, you know. Well, let's just start it. I mean, let's just drive it and see what it feels like. Honestly, just slow down. You can slow down. All you gotta do is just hit the clutch when you're shifting gears. And also when you're braking, of course, when coming to a full stop, then you hit the brakes.
To your left.
Left. See, I'm hitting the clutch and the brakes, and you could just literally come to neutral if you want, or you could, as if you're downshifting slowly, but I came to a full stop right away, so you don't need this part right now because I'm not hitting brakes.
Does that brake hold? And
oh, no, I don't know, the brake hold feature. Yeah, that might work too.
And still got your adaptive
cruise control if you're cruising on a long trip. Put that bad boy in first gear now since we're at a full stop. Yeah, that was a little bit bad. Should give it more gas. There you go. Pretty quick. It's nice. It's a nice feeling. As long as we don't stall, we did great. So that's that, guys. You just going around the circles in front of us, so this way we could kind of downshift as well a little bit.
How's the steering feel? Good? Steering? Feels tight? Steering
wheel actually feels a little tight, yeah, which is good. That's what a sport car should feel like when you're driving a manual. So let's go back to the third, because that was very, you can tell the RPMs go really high when you go in a very lower shift gear, I would say. Third gear is perfect right now. Yeah, the steering wheel's pretty cool. Stiff, feels good. But if this plastic piece wasn't on it, that would have been better. But as far as driving it, it's really great actually. I like it. Would I recommend when getting? If you're a manual guy nowadays, sure, why not? 30 grand, 31 with 2K markup. Some dealerships will be like 5, 4, 6, 8 markup.
Loop around at the soccer field here.
Making a right or left?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah, left. Make it left?
Yeah, you can go all the way up.
So right now I'm in third, of course. If you want to slow down, just hit the clutch and just hit the brakes. And then I'm just going to come down to third. Downshift is pretty nice. If there was exhaust on this, it would sound really good. And go to 1. So now we're in first gear. Make sure you're hitting the clutch all the way down so you don't stall. And hit the brakes as well to come to a full stop. We need an exhaust on this thing, man. Seriously. There you go. Comment below what you guys think about my driving skills in a manual. I know I'm not good at it, so go ahead. Say what you want. With the shortage nowadays, finding an SI, my friend Nick can tell you how bad it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, tell him how bad it is. This person was waiting for like 5-6 weeks to get it.
Yeah, this is like gold right now. There's only like 1 or 2 in New York State.
Yeah.
Very few.
And then they only come in one color. Like they come in different colors, but
three like, colors, yeah.
But then the color you want might be 3-4 months out.
For sure. Yeah. Sure, it's crazy right now.
Yep.
Feels pretty good.
Oh yeah, it feels really good. Oh yeah. Nick, you want to drive it?
You got it. You got it.
That's why I got you as like camera, man.
I am good.
Yeah, feels really nice. Yeah, you guys never seen me drive a stick shift, so especially for my new subscribers. Oh, should have been in second. Nice feeling. Driving in New York City though, you gotta be shifting gears left and right every 10 seconds. Pretty good on gas too, still full. Need an exhaust for sure. If you got an SI, guys, get an exhaust. You'll enjoy it more. So my driving skills are at a point where if you give me the manual available only to get home, I will get home. But if I don't know how to drive it, I'll probably be stuck trying to catch an Uber or a Lyft. So thumbs up for that. At least I can take it home. What do you think, Nick? I did good?
Yeah, you did great. Great. No stalls, no nothing.
Oh yeah, that's all it is. If you don't stall, you did great. Go back to one. Yeah, this was fun, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, these are fun. You can do burnouts for sure. Oh man.
Spin them up, cook them up.
Alright guys, that's about it. So that's all we got. And then comment below what you guys think. Would you be getting one anytime soon? Or not? Or you think is it worth the MSRP price for an SI? And that's about it, fam. So thanks for tuning back in and appreciate the support. So peace out until next time.